What's going on, guys? It's your boy JB, and welcome to week number 16 of the Chris Sain 100K challenge. As you can see on the screen, it's Friday, April 16th. Hope everybody had a phenomenal week. And before we get into it, you know how we do it. If you want to help yourself out to 2 free stocks, click the link down below in the description and sign up for Webull today. But without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into the tracker. All right, guys, you already guessed it. Your boy is down again for the week. My portfolio is down 18.56%, as you can see right here in the corner. I know several of you guys are asking, like, where am I at right now in terms of like gains and losses. This is it right here in the corner. Again, guys, if you're new to the series, this doesn't count after hours activity. Therefore, it's going to be slightly off than what you're about to see here in my app. And I do have 2 dividend stocks within my portfolio, and it's gonna be slightly off too when I show you the numbers, again, if you're new to the series. But as you can see on the tracker, obviously more red than green. And let's see what we got. Again, FTFT, GNOG, HOFV, Hyliion, NEO, like everything's really down right now. Let's see, APXT still down, and Apple and American are still rocking, and as well as Airbnb. Transactions, I did not buy anything this week, so everything's at a standstill until next week. I'll probably invest in something. Matter of fact, let me know, guys, down below what stocks you want me to invest in, or what stocks you have your eyes on. Obviously, Coinbase is pretty hot, you know what I'm saying? So it just went direct to the market a few days ago, which is definitely one I want to buy 2 shares of next week. But beyond that, what are you guys looking at? What's enticing you the most? Let me know down below. So going to options, I did go ahead and kill Chris Sain's free option that he provided us, with that being Citigroup. Got rid of that, and I lost $84 in that. So at a grand total so far in this challenge, I'm down $141 in options. Now, I might go back to buying Chris Sain's options next month, because that was really only the ones out of this group that actually knocked it out of the park, which is this green one right here when I made 635. And again, that's 250 if you guys are curious and want to get into that as well. Link will be down below on how to get to his stock options that he rolls out every week. And therefore, you guys could hopefully hit a home run. He keeps saying that people are hitting home runs, in his weekly option plays, which I believe, because I mean, here's proof, right? So if you guys want to check it out, link down below. The ones that are white are still in play. The ones that are red are dead. And going through deposits, I did not deposit any money this week, but I'm still at a grand total at 50-50 so far in this challenge. And alerts, don't even worry about that. I don't use this tab anymore. Again, I use the Webull alert system in order for me to get it in and out of trades. But without further ado, guys, let's go ahead and dive into the app. So here we are, guys, in my app. As you can see, I am at $8,963.53. For the week, I'm down 0.22%. And also going to show you guys in this app my Dogecoin home run. I'm sure you guys hit a home run or even a grand slam in Dogecoin if you're in it. And I hope you guys are in it, because it's really life-changing. A friend of mine just hit 6 figures in Dogecoin. Pretty insane just to think about that, about how much it was at the very, very beginning. Ridiculous. But anyway, buying power is at 447.94. Again, my Citigroup option is no longer showing, therefore, because I sold it, obviously, so it's no longer there. And the top 2 stocks that you see on the screen are ones that, again, these are my dividend plays, so don't even worry about those. That's not part of this challenge. And then you have Apple. Let's see, for the week, 1.16. And that way you guys can see what my total return is. Let's see, Airbnb for the week, down 1.40. Total return up 20%. Halion, let's see, for the week it's down 16%. Total return down 48%. American for the week down 5.54%. Total return up 25%. Neo down 4.90%. Total return down about 10%. Workhorse up 1.39%, down 40%. I'm actually gonna sell Workhorse and Halion once I make my money back on those. I'm gonna dump that money into another play. Let's see, let's go back. GNOG is at, well, it's down 9.57% for the week. Total down 22%. APXT down 7.65% for me. Down 24%. Total return almost 25. Tattooed Chef for the week down 2.55%. Total return down 25%. Hall of Fame down 22%. Down 20% total return. And then Future FinTech down 32.58% for the week. Total return down 39%. Let's see, yep, that's all of those. And then Dogecoin. If you guys hadn't seen this and I just told you this, y'all wouldn't have believed it. But scroll down, I'm actually up over 600%. It was at $5.99 just a minute ago, but over 613% return on Dogecoin. Pretty ridiculous, and it's still climbing up. So really glad I got into it when I did, but nevertheless, crypto is just blowing up just in general. So that's all I have for you guys for the day. If you made this far in the video, give your boy that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell while you're at it, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.